Hey, in this quick video, I'll show you how to use the after page load trigger, a simple way to delay your pop-up so it feels more natural to your visitors. Let's take a look. Just head over to your WeUpsell dashboard, select the pop-up you want to work with, go to triggers and choose after page load. Set a delay like 6 seconds and hit save. Super easy. Imagine you run an online bookstore. Someone lands on your homepage and starts browsing the latest bestsellers. After about 6 seconds, a pop-up gently appears saying, "Love books? Join our VIP list for early access to new releases." It's friendly, it's well-timed, and it doesn't interrupt their flow. Try using the after page load trigger. It's an easy way to make your pop-ups feel smarter and more engaging. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next quick tip.